All right, guys, got a 2017 740i. This is before. Sound decibels. '86. We'll let you guys hear when we get done with it.
So guys, I showed you what it sounds like, what it looks like. There's the muffler on it, right there. That gigantic muffler. There's a valve on this side, in there. There's no valve on this side, and it comes on the passenger side in, and then it comes out on each side, there and there. And then the 3-inch pipe continues back to the front of the car with a resonator right there, and then 3-inch pipe into a down pipe with a catalytic converter on it. All right, it's all bone stock. He just bought it 3 days ago, and he said, I gotta get the exhaust done on it, it's too quiet. And you guys heard it in the before video. So we're gonna keep that resonator and take this gigantic muffler off of it. All right, stay tuned, guys. And to take that muffler, we have to take all this plastic off. So that's what the bolts look like. All right, guys, 2017 BMW 740i with every sensor you can think of. It's even got a camera up here. Look at that. Sensors all over. He said it does self-driving and moves like if it feels a car veered to the side of it, it moves by itself. Xenons, all these things. It's really cool. Technologically advanced. Can't say that word. Technologically advanced car for 2017, which is insane. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's still got a factory converter up there, 3.5-inch pipe all the way to the mid. It's got a resonator there. We kept the resonator on for now. We might take it off. We'll see how it sounds. Then 3-inch pipe continues out the back. And then we did a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. Custom Y pipe. There's that valve that was on it. So we welded it to the side of the custom Y pipe. Move it this way. And then out the back on each side, there and right there. So we had to take this whole plastic shroud to do it. But there's the custom Y pipe. There's the pipe to this side. And there's the pipe to this side. And there's the valve. You can see the valve better. So the car thinks it's still there. When it goes to sport mode or any other mode, it opens up by itself. There's the stock muffler that was on it, right there. It's single in, dual out. The valve was on this side, and there's the other side there. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Oh, that's a big difference. At idle, it's right at 85, 86. That's at idle, guys. Rev it. Yeah, that's clean. I don't think it needs more than that, though. That's perfect. Yeah, now it sounds like a Beamer. Here's sound decibels. Perfect. So it's right at under 100. Go ahead and back it out. You like it? You want more?
I love it. I'm good. I love it.
No, you're good?
All right.
She looks good and she sounds good. Best of both worlds. I like it. Sounds so clean. It's perfect. Nothing crazy. Just perfect for a BMW. Let you guys hear it on the inside. And we're gonna tag him, guys. He has a huge following on Instagram. So make sure you guys go follow him. He does a lot of car content. So we'll tag him in our video, okay? Make sure you guys give him a follow. We really appreciate him bringing this car in. He brings a lot. This is his 4th car he brings into us. So make sure you guys go give him a follow. Let you guys hear on the inside now.
Sound decibels. $86. We'll let you guys hear when we get done with it.
Oh, that's a big difference. At idle, it's right at 85, 86. That's at idle, guys. Rev it. Yeah, that's clean. I don't think it needs more than that, though. That's perfect. Now it sounds like a Beamer. Here's sound decibels. Perfect. So it's right at under 100. Go ahead and back it out. You like it? You want more?
I love it. I'm good. I love it.
No, you good? All right. 740i BMW. Got a sexy stance to it. Such a beautiful car. I was shocked that it came with the 6-cylinder turbo, the same motor that's in the Supra. Oh yeah. Had a little burble. Once he takes that resonator off, it'll make a huge difference. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys, 2025 BMW X5M. He's gonna launch it for us. It's the hybrid system. It's the newest BMW out. So he's gonna bring it back after he takes these diffusers off. Woo-hoo-hoo. Too quiet. It needs sound bad. But I said I'll get you guys a drive off out of it. Enjoy.